Hi, I'm Sean Jones, General Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.